This time we are going to discuss about a very helpful thing. What is the helpful thing? Getting help about our commands or our functions. So for doing that, actually you can do that right from this console, or you can also do that from a new R script or any R script, no problem. So normally we will always do the work in the R script. So for getting help, you can use two ways using the command. One is by help command. Actually it will be small letter anyway. Help, then within bracket you have to type the function name within bracket, within the quotation. For example, if you want to know about mean, the function mean, then you have to type mean. This will be possible if you know the spelling and all this thing of this function. So after that I press Ctrl Enter, and you can see in this panel we are getting the help about the mean function. Okay, so all the details are given here. The description: mean is a generic function for the trimmed arithmetic mean. Okay, and the structure is also given. The arguments are defined here. The values and the references are given, and some additional links are given. And not only that, an example is also given here. Okay, so this is how you can actually get help about any function. To get the same help, actually you can use a shorter version, that is question mark then mean, and then press Ctrl Enter. You get the same help from this command as well. Now another way that I want to mention, let's say you do not really know the spelling of the function mean, but you want a function that will help you to calculate arithmetic mean. So for that purpose, what you can do, you can search the help database. Okay, so let me type here help.search. Okay, then within bracket you can actually type the keyword arithmetic mean or something like that. If one keyword does not work, you can type another keyword and try again. So this is how you can also find the function of your interest. So let me press Ctrl Enter, and you can see we are getting the search results from the help database. We can see we have got two results. One is mean and another one is weighted mean. And a short description: this mean function provides us the arithmetic mean, and the weighted mean provides us the weighted arithmetic mean. Since we are interested about arithmetic mean, we can click the first one and get the help document, and get the help from here. So I hope you have understood how can you get help regarding any function from the RStudio environment very easily. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.